Hey, welcome. In this video, I will walk you through how you can duplicate a page or post in WordPress with a single click. But before then, you might be wondering, why do you need to do this? If you have a WordPress website, at some point, you probably want to create a new post or page similar to the old ones, maybe with a little update, or even you write the content. This process is a tedious and time-consuming one, as you have to create a new post or page, start copying the content one after the other from the old to the new page. This is not enough, as some of the post attributes like tags or page attributes won't be copied during the process. While this looks like it should be easy and simple to do, WordPress does not have a native cloning functionality. But in this tutorial, I will show you a plugin that adds this functionality to your WordPress website. This plugin helps you to clone, update a post or page in a single workflow. So guys, let's get started with the training. Welcome back. Kindly like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people that will need it. And please, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, because I publish new and valuable content every Thursday, and we discuss topics related to WordPress, Facebook advertisement, Canva, whiteboard animation, and the likes. We discuss topics that will help you save time, save energy, and also save money. And not just that, also make you more money. Okay, enough. Let's get started with today's training. Okay guys, so welcome back. Now, the very first thing I would like us to do before we even install the plugin at all is to look at these pages and posts. Let's look at what they look like. Now, looking at this post, you can see these are the available options: edit, quick edit, trash, view. That's all. And also, when you look at some of this page, you see edit, quick edit, trash, view. That's all. So let's install our plugin now. When we install the plugin that we use to add this functionality to our WordPress website, then you see there will be a new options that will be added. So just click on add new plugin, go to add new plugin. So the name of the plugin is Post Duplicator. Even though it is called Post Duplicator, you can use it to duplicate or clone several post types like page, post, and the likes. Oh, sorry, I meant post duplicate. Now, can you see it? So this is the plugin. So you click on install. This plugin is currently owned by Yoast. Yoast is a WordPress SEO company, or SEO company, search engine optimization company. They have a plugin on that, so you can research more about Yoast. It is a nice so what do you do next? Click on activate to activate the plugin. All right, now you will see what's it called, the Yoast duplicate post here. So let's just go to settings. So let me show you one or two things. So if you are not sure of what you are doing, you might just want to leave everything as it is. Do you get it now? Like, leave everything unless you know what you are doing and you know what you want to select. But I would advise you leave it as it is. So here, this title prefix, you might not have anything here if you because I've installed it before. If you are just installing, you might not have anything here. So what they are trying to say is this title prefix will help you to distinguish between the old and the new page or post. So when you use copy of, so whenever you clone a post or page, there will be a prefix added to the cloned title. So it will be copy of the title of the post or page that you cloned. Do you get it now? So suffix, you can add suffix as dupe, but I'm not sure this is really needed since you can identify with the title prefix. So I think you can leave every other thing. So if you do not want to copy any of these taxonomies, categories, you might tick them. So let me just click on save changes. Then permission. Now this permission is trying to say, okay, who are the users or roles on your website that you want to give this permission to be able to set or to be able to clone and duplicate content. So you might limit it to admins and editors only, and you can also enable for these post types. You see in WordPress there are many post types like post, page. Now the post types you see here will depend on the types of plugin and maybe theme you are using on your WordPress website. So yours might be different. Do you get it now from what you are seeing here? Do you get it now? So let's click on save changes, and then this display, let me explain what this display means. This display means, okay, where can you see the button to click on clone and every other thing like that. So here you can you see show this link, new drafts, clone. Don't worry, I will show you all of this when we start doing. So you might not really need to change anything here. Okay, so let's start with the very first one. Now let's go to post. Let's add or duplicate a new post. Okay, let me trash this first. Let me trash this. All right, so let's assume I actually just created this post, just created something as example. I'm not really a blogger. Okay, so this is just what's it called, a blog post that I just created to use as an example. Do you get it now? Just as an example. So you can see after we have installed and activated the plugin, can you see now there is a new option of what? Clone. Do you get it now? So I'll show you 3 different ways you can clone your post or page. They are similar process. So let me open this. Let me open the editor here. So number 1, you can decide to what? Clone using this what's it called, this. So you can decide to clone using this option here, this clone option here, or you can open the post or page and what? Can you see? Copy to a new draft. This is another option. And lastly, you will see copy to a new draft in the post editor. Do you get it now? So there are different options available for you. So the sweetest part is, let's assume you have any SEO plugin that has been installed. So if you have some tags and every other thing already for that page or post, it will also copy it or clone it alongside with it. So let me show you what I'm saying. So let's clone this. So we can use any of the options. Can you see copy to a new draft? So let me just use this clone. So you see copy of, can you see the prefix that we added earlier is what? Copy of. So you have the copy of now the title. So this will, the status of this post or page will be what? Draft. It will not be published. So you can decide to what? Rename it. Let me just rename it here so we can let me just put something here. Then you can change what's it called, this from draft to what? Published. Okay, let me give this another slug and you update. So we have cloned, you have successfully cloned the stuff. Can you see? So can I preview? You see that it's same thing. Can you see? Same thing with the previous one. This is a newly cloned post. This is the previous one here. So can you see? After cloning, you can decide to what? Rewrite and republish. So this, when you click on this rewrite and republish, you don't need to reclone again. when you click on this write and republish, it will not create a new post or a new page. What it will do is it will open the post or page for you to update. Can you see? You can now start writing your post in this duplicate of the original. If you click republish, your changes will be merged in the original post and will be redirected there. Can you see? So let's do same thing for pages. So let's assume I want to clone this privacy policy page. Let me refresh it. So you see, this is a view clone. These are the newly these are the newly added options. So let's assume, okay, let me view this first. Then let's assume we want to clone. So you see something like copy of privacy policy. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, privacy policy. So copy of that will be like on the first page. Copy of, can you see? Copy of privacy policy. You see it here. So you can decide to update it and change the status from publish to from draft to publish, or update the content first, or do whatever thing you want to do with it. This will help you save time. So guys, this is a short tutorial video, and I'm very sure you have gotten the whole explanation. So guys, here is the thing. I also have a video on how you can clone a fully functional WordPress site within a few minutes. You can get it done. This is different. That is different from this. This is just cloning or duplicating a page or post, but that one is to duplicate or clone an entirely functional WordPress website. You should check it out. I'll put the link in the description below, and you can also click on the button at the top right corner. So guys, if you got value in this video, kindly like the video, comment on it, share with friends, and if you are here to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Bye.